Welcome to Next Level. We have an unboxing video for today. There should be about 6 videos depending on how I open the boxes. So we're just going to get right into it. I actually don't know what's in this box, so that's part of the surprise. One of my best-selling products, brown paper. You know, the amount of people that come in here and say, hey man, cool, I got all this skateboard stuff, but do you have brown paper too? Because I have to write some old-timey letters. Got you covered. So, brown paper. Oh, this is actually a wheelie cool box. And why is it so wheelie cool? Because gotta open up more stuff. We have been offering more and more selection and diversity of products, and so we're just gonna put this over here like this, and we're just gonna start pulling out some Dragon wheels. We got these last time, but they only lasted like a day and they were bought up, and then people kept asking me about them. So we have Dragon wheels, 56 millimeters, green. Dragon wheels, 52 millimeters, green. Dragon wheels, 54 millimeters, green. And they come with a sticker, so that's actually pretty cool. And then we've got Dragon wheels, 52 millimeter white. Also comes with a sticker. And we have 54 millimeter Dragon wheels, white. And we have 54 millimeter Dragon wheels, white. I must have accidentally ordered 2 sets of those. And some 56 millimeters for people who want 56 millimeter Dragon wheels. So lots of Dragon wheels. Pretty stoked on that. Oh, this is one I wanted to try out. These are the G-slide wheels. It's a wider wheel. Got a hard plastic inner core. We got some Powell Peralta G-slide wheels. What are these? 59 millimeter 85A. So, it's a bit of a softer wheel. It's a wider wheel. See how that goes. Then we've got some Bones Retro wheels, 53 millimeter 99A. Some Bones Retro wheels, 53 millimeter 99A. And now that I see these, I think there's going to be more wheels in other boxes because there's more wheels in other boxes. And just to keep the wheel train moving, and when you say wheel, you don't have to pronounce the H. You can just say wheel like a normal person. You don't have to say wheel. So. And we got some DGK wheels, 53 millimeter 101. Bring the heat. So DGK's got some wheels. Oh, and we actually have DGK wheels in there already. There's another, the freestyle, not freestylers, for you techie guys, I guess, girls. For the techie people, 51 millimeter. Got a smaller wheel because people want smaller wheels too. And these wheels, I can't even see them because they're blind. No, wait, that would make me blind. No, nobody's blind. But these wheels are from the Blind Skateboard Company. And these are 53 millimeter. And these are 53 millimeter. We have blind wheels, DGK wheels, Bones Retro wheels, Dragon wheels, and G-slide wheels. Wow, there is a lot more stuff in here than I thought, actually. Okay, so we've got some ABEC 9 bearings. People are really liking those. Got some ABEC 7 bearings. People are really liking those. Got some ABEC 5 bearings. I thought there was more of these. Maybe they're in another box. But these actually sold out really well. Actually sold out of those right now. Oh, these are actually really nice. Good deal on these too. Hybrid bearings. So titanium ceramic combination bearings. Whew, that is high tech. Some ABEC 3s. Bit of a price point. And titanium coated. Damn. It's actually really cool. Oh, and we got some Bones Reds. So it's a pretty popular bearing. People like these. They've asked about them. You got Bones Reds. Those are pretty cool. And then we've got risers, pink risers, rubber. I can't remember. I think these are from Pig Wheels. I'm not sure. I will have to check. But pink risers, rubber, nice to have. Oh, and then we have 1/8 risers from Pig. So that's pretty cool. 1/8 risers. And then we've got, what's this one? Also 1/8, but in blue, risers. These are hard plastic. And these are also hard plastic. And 1/8 risers. Also. So this is like a burgundy, I guess. 1/8 risers. It's almost like there's longer hardware coming that you would need to fit if you had risers. So like, I don't know, just a prediction, I guess. Okay, so, oh, here is some hardware. Some Element 7/8, pretty standard. 7/8 Element. Ooh, 1-inch Element, you know, almost like they'd fit on the risers. Oh, 125, even bigger, so probably fit the risers even better. More Pig. Oh yeah, these are those Pig Prime 7/8. It's like iridescent colors to them. Pig hardware. Those are cool. More 1.25 inch. The longer bolt there to fit the risers. Okay, and some blue risers from Pig Wheels. Oh, let's see. Okay, we got a bit of a mixed bag coming up here now. Oh, another set of Pig risers. Is that it for the Pig riser? Okay, so 0 piece patch. Looks pretty cool. Put on a hat. 0 skateboards piece. And let's see if I got all these actually. There might be more, but we've got the Andy Anderson to match the Andy Anderson. So we got Andy Anderson patch. Looks like a Norse Viking skull head. Pretty cool. And these, last time I got these, they were sold out the same day I got them. So I got some Powell winged rippers. Again, nice patches. Also a good name for a dog, patches. Okay, and some Bones. These actually sold out too. We got more. Vado Rat. Okay, so now we're going to move on to stickers. The New Deal Skateboard Company. This company debuted in, I think it was 91. And at the time they were a new deal and they had a different outlook on street skating and the skateboard industry, and New Deal stickers. And some more New Deal stickers. See if we can get all these out of the way first. Oh, here we go. Yep, the New Deal sticker pack. A variety of stickers, so some of their classic logos and graphics. We got a lot of New Deal stickers now. And for them dirty ghetto kids out there, we got the DGK stickers. The low drip represent on your board. Got the Bucky Lassick, not upside down, just a bird looking through his own legs. The Baltimore Orioles, Oriole, I guess, because Bucky Lassick is from Baltimore. And we also have his ProTech helmet, too. So if you wanted to get a bird mooning you and smiling at the same time, got you covered. Toy machine, punch, punch. The Monarch project. So this is Leticia Buffone and Sky Brown are pro for Monarch, and I think that's really cool. So we got some Monarch stickers. Oh, it seems to have, I guess I ordered more than I thought. More Toy Machine Punch fists. Oh, we got the big Toy Machine Devil. Blood-sucking skateboard company. Blech. Toy Machine. Shorty's stickers. Originally started as a bolt company because when people stopped using risers and stuff, they needed shorter bolts, and so they made bolts called Shorties because they were shorter than usual, and that really took off, and they made everything else after that. Back to some DGK. All Day. Dirty Ghetto Kid stickers. Dirty Ghetto Kid with the Jason mask. Trippin' DGK. More DGK stickers. Let's see what else we got here. Ooh, these are kind of cool. Wow. Classic, iconic graphic from Shorty's. The Muska. We got that sticker. If you want to put a little bit of legacy on your board. Blind stickers, started by Mark Gonzalez and Jason Lee back in the day. Blind started as an opposition to Vision Skateboards, which was a really big company at the time. And they said, you know what, we're going to be blind if you're Vision. And Blind outlasted Vision, so they did better. Okay, so now we're going into some Bones Brigade. The Guerrero. I had this sticker when I was a kid. Cool graphic. Got the Guerrero sticker. We got Steve Caballero sticker. Got the Bones Ripper in black and in white. Bones Ripper, that's a big sticker too. That look cool on your board or your refrigerator or your books. Bones. This is a classic top sheet graphic that was on the Bones Brigade boards back in the day. It's the dragon, gold and in red. This was on the top graphic of all the boards. I wonder if they still have it on this one. Nope. No top graphic. Nope. Anyway, that was the top graphic on the Powell boards from the Bones Brigade era. I had this sticker and t-shirt when I was a kid. Per Wellender, also in the movie Thrashin'. Yay, Per! Because Josh Brolin was on Venice Beach and he saw Per Wellender skating. He gave him some props because I guess they were buddies. And we are on to another Bones Brigade member, Lance Mountain. Wait. This is the Future Primitive graphic. Very iconic. So the Lance Mountain graphic, pretty cool. And if you want to get the Bones Winged Ripper to match your Bones Winged patch, we've got the sticker for you too. So pretty cool. Not to be confused with Tommy Guerrero, we have the Nicky Guerrero sticker. Kind of a fun face mask, I guess. Looks South American. Nicky Guerrero. Oh, this is a pretty, actually, I've got this sticker on my old DSC board. Powell Peralta. Another dragon. They like the dragons over there at Powell Peralta. Another Bucky sticker. Steve Size. He was part of the breakthrough crew from when Vert sort of died and street became more of a thing. He was one of the skaters that they were pushing to the forefront. Him with Guy Mariano and Ray Barbie. Steve Size. Probably one of the best video parts from back in the day. Frankie Hill. Awesome graphic. This graphic came out after his awesome video parts came out. So he put out an awesome video part, got an awesome board graphic. Now we have awesome stickers about it. And this is a recurring theme of the day. So we have Andy Anderson sticker, Andy Anderson patch, Andy Anderson board, and it's possible we have another Andy Anderson board somewhere in there too. Just a guess, but Andy Anderson. Okay. Oh, the skateboard police. So if you're in a high ollie zone and you're doing low ollies or weak ollies, the skateboard police may have to write you a citation. I believe it's a code 97A for weak ollies. So I guess it's pretty easy to qualify for skateboard police. You just buy the patch and there you go. You can start telling people they don't ollie high enough. There you go. The Zero Skateboard Company. That one's in white, that one's in black. Jamie Thomas. I like what he's done. I like Zero. Oh, people keep asking me about this one. Skull and Sword sticker. We've got a Skull and Sword sticker. Oh, this is a nice one. Mike McGill sticker. Inventor of the McTwist. Inverted 540, backside on a ramp. Mike McGill. These are kind of cool if you had like a scratched up board or a repurposed board or a blank board. You wanted to put some big old wing grippers on them. Maybe you got like a fridge or something or a drum kit. Powell Peralta wing gripper. Pretty iconic. People see this, they think skateboard stuff. And just to get into some Wiccan stuff. Oh. If you're skateboarding on a job site and they say, hey, you need high visibility grip tape if you're going to be skating here on this construction site. You say, hey man, I got you covered. Here is some high visibility orange grip tape for when you are skating at a construction zone. So bit of a loophole there. They can't really nab you for that because safety first. And then we are into some Black Magic grip tape. So pretty cool. Sounds like there's something else inside this. Black Magic grip tape. This is from Shorty's. We talked about Shorty's earlier with the don't need the box anymore. We talked about Shorty's earlier, starting as a bolt company. And then we had the Chad Muska graphic. And then, there we go. Ooh, Black Magic sticker. And then we have some Shorty's Black Magic grip tape. Pretty cool. So if you want to skate like Chad Musker or Peter Smolik, or Tori Pudwell from back in the day. Anyway, lots of stickers, lots of wheels, still more wheels coming, lots of bearings, risers, patches, grip tape. This has been a pretty successful unboxing at Next Level Skateboards. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next unboxing video. Thanks.